You can combine monograph units into a set using the makeup set procedure. Set units can belong to one or more bibliographic records. You can add 996 fields to a set that have an accession number that are not a part of another set and are not registered for loan or deaccessioned. All set units must have the same sublocation code in the call number or the same relocation sublocation code. You will see how to add 3 units of material that belong to the same bibliographic record into a set. In the library, we have the title Prevedrimo znanje iz angleščine, which includes a book and 2 CDs. So we have 3 units of material or 3 996 fields accessioned. Once you have found the material, use the Show Fields 996-997 procedure to find and select the 996 fields that you will create into a set. In the Active Fields 996-997 search window, select the first 996 field that represents the book and select the Makeup Set procedure. The Making Up a Set window opens first, and at the same time, leading unit of the set, which defines the common properties of the set. This is the type of material to which the time parameters are linked. By entering its accession number and clicking the Add Remove button. The data of the added unit are entered, namely call number, accession number, and set unit code. Repeat the procedure for one more unit. Now you have 3 units of material in the set. Complete the procedure by clicking the Close button. In the subfield 996C, the copy identifier set instance item ID is entered automatically for the unit that you added to the set. If you want to perform procedures on the set units, for example, adding data such as status, relocation to another location, relocation date, accession notes, loan restriction, availability level, and call number, the unit must first be removed from the set. This is done by entering the accession number of the unit in the Making Up a Set window and clicking the Add Remove button. The set can also be completely broken up. By clicking the Remove All button, all units of material will be removed from the set.